like on the plumbing side, it's easier because you feel like, yeah, you're the expert providing solutions. When you're working in a hotel, it's like the customer is always right, and like they're trying to tell you exactly what they want and
Yeah.
what they believe that they've paid for and what they feel you've done wrong.
Mm-hmm.
And I think in plumbing, like you're there to tell them kind of what you think that they need,
Yeah.
present those solutions for
Yeah.
the problems that you find. So I think it was definitely more difficult in
Yeah.
hospitality.